Here we're going to find the value of sine negative 5 pi over 3 if we're given only the first quadrant of the unit circle. So when I first start with this one, I know that it's negative, but I'm going to find the positive first so that I can use the reflection across the x-axis to do the negative. So I'm going to start off by finding where 5 pi over 3 would be. So I know that on my unit circle, if I'm counting by thirds, over here at pi, if I change it to thirds, would be 3 pi over 3. And over here at 2 pi, if I change it to thirds, would be 6 pi over 3. Which means that I only have 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3 to be in between there. So 4 pi over 3 must be over here in the third quadrant, and 5 pi over 3 must be over here in the fourth quadrant, making this one 4 pi over 3, and this one 5 pi over 3. But here we're looking for negative 5 pi over 3. And when I'm looking for the negative angle, it's the reflection across the x-axis. So I'm really looking at my angle in that first quadrant right there, right here. And that's a pi over 3 reference angle. And any pi over 3 reference angle is going to have the point 1/2 root 3 over 2 attached to it. And since I'm in the first quadrant, both of those values are positive. But I'm looking specifically for the sine of negative 5 pi over 3, and the sine is always the y value, which is going to make it root 3 over 2.